Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Today, we're celebrating the life and legacy of Eddie Garcia, one of the most legendary actors in Philippine cinema. With over 6 decades in the industry, Eddie Garcia's talent, versatility, and unforgettable performances continue to inspire. Let's dive into this incredible journey and the mark he left on Filipino entertainment. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Eddie Garcia, born Eduardo Verches Garcia on May 2, 1921 in Huban, Sorsogon, was the son of Antonio Garcia and Vicenta Verches. He grew up on a farm in Naga Camarines Sur alongside his 4 siblings, Mila, Efren, Mencho, and Santiago. Raised by his grandparents, Garcia's family descended from Spanish settlers. His grandfather, a captain in the Spanish Army, moved to the Philippines in 1870, marrying a woman from Pampanga and settling in Naga. Natanggap ni Garcia ang kanyang maagang pag-aaral sa Sorsogon Pilot Elementary School bago lumipat sa Maynila para sa high school, kung saan siya nagtapos sa San Beda College. Ipinagpatuloy niya ang kanyang pag-aaral sa parehong institusyon, nagtapos ng AB Psychology degree, ngunit nakatapos lamang ng 3 taon ng kanyang kurso sa kolehiyo. Garcia's career began shortly after World War II. He served with the Philippine Scout as a military policeman in Okinawa, Japan. After returning to the Philippines, he was encouraged by a friend to enter show business, which led to his initial foray into acting. Garcia's first audition was with director Manuel Conde, where he was cast in the 1949 film Siete Infantes de Lara. He followed this with roles in Kahit Ang Mundo'y Maggunaw and other films in 1950. Initially typecast in villainous roles due to his striking Hispanic features, Garcia quickly gained a reputation for his commanding performances. Ang kanyang papel sa Contravida in 1955 ay humantong sa kanyang unang parangal sa FAMAS para sa Best Supporting Actor, isang karangalan na sunod-sunod niyang aangkinin sa loob ng 3 taon, mula 1957 hanggang 1959, na naging tanging aktor sa kasaysayan ng FAMAS na nakamit ang gayong tagumpay. In 1961, Garcia directed his first film, Karugtong ng Kahapon, and in 1963, Historia on Amor. By the late 1960s, he was also establishing himself as a respected director, winning his first FAMAS Best Director Award for Pinagbuklod ng Langit in 1969, a biographical film about President Ferdinand Marcos. The 1970s and 1980s saw Garcia rise to prominence as a major figure in Philippine cinema. He was involved in the second golden age of Philippine cinema, contributing to K-films such as Tinimbang Ka Ngunit Kulang in 1974, Ang Ganito Kami Noon, Paano Kayo Ngayon in 1976. In 1978, he produced Atsay, starring Nora Honor, which won Best Picture at the Metro Manila Film Festival. Patuloy na tumanggap ng pagkilala ang direktoryo ni Garcia, kasama ang mga kilalang pelikula tulad ng Magdusa Ka in 1986 at Immortal in 1989, na ang huli ay nakakuha sa kanya ng parangal na Best Director mula sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Tinanghal din siyang FAMAS Hall of Famer para sa kanyang mga kontribusyon sa Philippine cinema. Throughout the 1990s, Garcia's career flourished with a series of acclaimed performances. He won multiple FAMAS Best Actor Awards for his roles in Sambahin Ang Ngalan Mo in 1998, Bakit May Kahapon Pa in 1996, and Mariano Lison, NBI in 1997. In 1998, he was honored with the Film Academy of the Philippines Lifetime Achievement Award. Ang versatility ni Garcia ay patuloy na sumikat noong 2000. Noong 2000, nagbida siya sa Anhino, isang maikling pelikula na nanalo sa prestiyosong Palme d'Or sa Cannes Film Festival. Nanalo rin siya ng maraming parangal sa pag-arte, kabilang ang Best Actor Award sa 2001 Metro Manila Film Festival para sa Manupo at Best Actor sa 2005 Cinemalaya Philippine Independent Film Festival para sa ICU Bed No. 7. Garcia was known for his humility and professionalism. He maintained a relatively private life, keeping his personal and professional worlds separate. He was in a domestic partnership with actress Lilibeth Romero for 33 years and was previously married to Lucila Schoenberg, who passed away in 1995. Together, they had 3 children: Eduardo Jr., who tragically died in a motorcycle accident at 22, Erwin, who passed away in 2021, and Elizabeth, who died of a heart attack in 1996. Though Garcia initially wanted to be either a soldier or a lawyer, he saw acting as an honest way to make a living. Beyond his film career, he was a skilled marksman, having been trained as a soldier. He was also a passionate advocate for healthy living, maintaining a balanced lifestyle through exercise and proper nutrition. Eddie Garcia's life tragically ended on June 19, 2019 at the age of 90. Nagtamo siya ng malubhang pinsala sa set para kay Rosang Agimat, kung saan natapilok siya sa cable wire at nahulog, na nagtamo ng cervical fracture. Bagamat unang iniulat na inatake sa puso, napag-alaman na ang pagkahulog ay sanhi ng pinsala na humantong sa kanyang pagkawala ng malay. In accordance with his wishes, his remains were cremated and his wake was held at Heritage Memorial Park in Taguig. Eddie Garcia's legacy as one of Philippine cinema's most respected actors and directors remains unparalleled. His work, spanning over 7 decades, influenced countless filmmakers and actors. Garcia's commitment to his craft, professionalism, and quiet humility ensured his place as a beloved icon in the entertainment industry. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Naomi Osaka, dreams don't have to just be dreams. You can make it a reality if you just keep pushing and keep trying. Then eventually, you'll reach your goal. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Hershey's Haha. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, https://en.wikipedia.org, photos Quidets2, https://www.esquirebag.ph, and https://www.imdb.com. Inspirational quote Quidets2, https://www.goodhousekeeping.com.